friends, let us see how to make Goan style fish Cafreal. In this recipe, I have used kingfish slices. First, apply salt to the fish. Apply salt nicely to the fish. Let us make the Cafreal masala. First, chop some coriander leaves and keep it aside. Remove the stems and chop some green chilies and keep it aside. Chop garlic. Chop ginger. To a mixer jar, add chopped coriander leaves. Add chopped green chilies, ginger and garlic. Add some spices like black peppercorns, cloves and cinnamon. Add some cumin seeds. Add lemon juice. Add little water. Grind to make thick green paste. Transfer the green paste to a bowl. See the thickness of the paste. Add turmeric powder and mix well. Apply the Cafreal masala to the kingfish or sea fish. This fish is also known as surmai. Apply the Cafreal paste to all the kingfish slices. Massage the fish with the green paste. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. Retain some green paste. Heat a frying pan and add oil. After oil gets heated, place the fish in the frying pan. If the frying pan is big, you can fry all the fish slices together, or else you can fry it in batches. Add little oil on top of the fish. Flip after 5 minutes. Always remember to cook the fish on low flame. Since there is place in the frying pan, I will add the smaller slices too. You can even use 2 frying pans and fry the fish simultaneously. If needed, add little oil on top of the fish. Cooking time of the fish will depend on the thickness of the slices. Thinner slices of kingfish will fry faster. After the fish is slightly fried, remove and keep it aside. Pour the remaining green paste in the same frying pan. Remember to cook on low flame. I did not add any extra oil for frying the green paste. After the paste changes color and dries a bit, add little water. One by one, place the kingfish slices in the frying pan. Add some green paste from the frying pan on top of the fish. After some time, flip the kingfish slices. Looking yummy, right? Kingfish Cafreal or Goan fish Cafreal is ready. Serve it as an appetizer or a side dish. If you like this recipe, please do like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.